Hey, this video for you to make your 3D bowling simulation in Blender. And this is a museum of Mahmoud. First, choose one of your pins, and from physics choose rigid body, let it active. Select all of your pins also, and from object, rigid body. Select copy from active, select the ball and again physics active. Change mass to 5, make it animated, change shape to sphere, and let's change sensitivity. Enable collision margin and make it 0.002. Select the ground and from physics rigid body. Make it passive and change shape to mesh. And from sensitivity change margin to 0.002. Give the ball K from location in frame 1. Don't forget the ball must be animated. Change location to forward and down. Press T. Click linear. Set K-frame to animated, and move 1 frame. Focus here. First disable animated, and click K-frame. Now press play. If you want, adjust ball speed, change these 2 K-frames together. Now you have your bowling simulation, give it some materials. It is a magic, isn't it? Subscribe now to see more 3D magic. Don't forget to be happy. It's a museum of Mahmoud.